Hi my lovelies, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all well and having a lovely day. My name's Amanda if you're new here. Today guys, I have a collective homeware haul for you. I've been into Ikea and I've also been into B&M. I picked up a few items from both of those stores. I don't have a lot but enough to put together in a haul. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you today, okay? So if you're new around here, I'd love for you to stick around and hit the subscribe button. I post weekly videos on a Wednesday and a Sunday. Sometimes you might get a bonus video midweek, so do make sure your notification bell is switched on as well so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos, okay? So let's get into today's haul. I'm going to first show you the bits that I picked up in Ikea. So the first item I picked up in Ikea is this cutlery tray. Okay, it's quite a big one. So I've actually got this to put into my mom dressing table. I'm not going to be using it as a cutlery tray as such, but you know Ikea, they are so clever with their storage items. They make them so they fit into most of their furniture as well. So like I said, I've got the mom dressing table from Ikea. I have recently decluttered it and organized it, but I need something like this to put like some larger items in, because what I've done, I've got rid of some of my jewellery, some of my costume jewellery, the ones that I'm not wearing no more. They're just taking up space in the drawer, and I needed this to sort of like put my combs, my brushes, and like some, you know, some small containers of like hair bands, that kind of thing. So I thought this would be really, really handy for that. This came in at £3. They have a whole range of this selection, you know, in different variations. So they have one where there's got like a little, what should I say, a divider there. They've got one where these all come like apart separately. They've got so many, you know. So I will link this one in the description box below. So you can just go, if you're after something like this, if you want to use it for a cutlery tray, or like myself, use it for organising your drawers, your pantry, all that kind of thing, I will link it. So all you need to do is just click on the link and that will take you directly to this on the Ikea website, okay? So the next items I picked up in Ikea, you can probably hear them jingling around. I picked up these white metal hangers. Okay, I hope they're showing up because I've got like a white background. I'm wearing a grey top. I really hope they're showing up. So yeah, so I got these white metal hangers. Now I've been after these in Ikea for a little while now. I have got some similar ones from Primark, but these ones are very, very strong. I've got a friend that's got these, and she's also got the Ikea clothes rail, which I've also got, and that's what I've got these for, to organise the clothes rail, you know, with my summer clothes. Half of my summer clothes are still up in the loft in bags. I need to organise my summer clothes. I've still got my autumn and winter clothes in my wardrobe, you know, because the weather hasn't been that great. But hopefully we are going to be getting some great weather, you know, going towards the bank holiday and everything, the May bank holiday. So anyways, I picked these up. These are really affordable, I would say. They are really strong as well, you know. They're white sort of coated metal, really robust. They're quite heavy as well, to be fair with you. But you get a pack of 5 of these for £3, okay, in Ikea. Again, I will link them in the description box below. If you know, if anyone's after them, you can just click on the link and it will take you directly to these on the Ikea website. So I picked up 2 packs of those, £6. So a pack of 5 for £3, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, so that's that. So the next item I picked up in Ikea is this whisk. Now I have got another whisk from Ikea, but it's got the metal, you know, it's got the metal bits on the end here. This one is a silicone one with the black detail handle. I have actually got quite a few of this range from Ikea, so I've got this one to sort of go with it. You know, it blends in really nice in my kitchen, just underneath my underneath the extractor fan. I've got a rail with all my kitchen utensils in. I was thinking about putting them into a pot. I picked up a pot picked up this nice utensil pot in the charity shop a few months ago, and I'm debating whether I should just take all of those utensils down for the rail and just put them into the pot, you know, near the hob. I'm really not sure yet. Anyways, I picked this up in Ikea. This came in at £5. Again, I will link it in the description box below, okay? So the next items I picked up in Ikea were these storage bags. Now these bags come in such handy, guys. You know, I've been organising my loft, like putting what we're keeping in the loft into bags and then labeling it up, like clothes and all that kind of thing, duvet covers, all that kind of thing, you know, toys. You can put anything into these bags and they do hold quite a lot. This huge bag came in at just £3. Okay, but when I got these, I actually got these a while ago, and I couldn't remember if I've shown you them on my channel yet, because I picked these up when they had an offer on. They sometimes have these on offer with the family card. So these came in at 3 for the price of 2. They had a whole range of like storage items, but £3 each for these bags is still good going, because they are quite robust. They hold a lot, very practical, you know. You can store anything in there. So these bags come in real handy. You know, like I said, I've still got my autumn and winter clothes in my wardrobe. I'm still yet to transition over to the summer clothes, you know, but once I've take those out, I'm going to sort through them and then put them into these bags. Okay, so yeah, £3 for one bag, and they are absolutely huge. I'm going to put a picture of it on the screen here just to give you an idea of how they look, because I can't really show you that well on the camera, you know, but it's got quite a wide gusset there, so it opens up bigger than what you think, you know. Really practical bags. And even when you go to Ikea and you're picking up like loads of different things like cushions and duvet covers and so on, it's always nice to have one of these, because you know the blue bag doesn't hold a lot. This one holds a lot more than the blue bag, and it also has a zip. Okay, so you can just zip everything up, put it in the back of your car, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's those. So that's all that I got from Ikea. Now I'm going to show you the bits that I picked up in B&M. Again, it's not a lot, guys, but I think they're worth sharing on the channel. So I'll just show you. So summer is fast approaching. I do absolutely love my drinks with ice, you know. Like on my last video, I had my iced coffee sitting there. I mean, the ice melted by the time I even got to properly drink it. But B&M have got these really nifty silicone ice trays. Now, can you imagine the size of the ice cube that will come out of here? Massive, you know. So yeah, these are absolutely brilliant. Like if you're making a smoothie, you know, like you've got to put a whole ton of ice into your NutriBullet or into your blender, you know. With this, you only need a few ice cubes because they are quite big, as you can see. Now these came in at £1.50 for this silicone ice cube tray, and it holds 15 ice cubes there, you know, so I've got that as well. I also picked up some of this Tessimo Costa coffee Americano for my husband. He absolutely loves this. You know, we have tried some other types of coffee in that machine, and yeah, he hasn't really got on with them. You know, he does prefer the Costa coffee one. So yeah, that came in at £5, and it's a 16 pack. So the supermarkets, I know I haven't really seen this size in the supermarkets. I'm talking about Tesco, Sainsbury's, you know, Waitrose. I haven't seen this big pack. I've only seen this big pack in like Home Bargains or B&M. You know, £5 for 16 capsules, which is absolutely brilliant, because in the supermarket it's a lot more expensive, guys, you know, and they're doing the smaller pack, so you're getting 12 in a pack and not the full of 16. So yeah, I actually picked up 2 of these. I've already decanted one in our coffee jar downstairs. So yeah, £5 for that. You really can't go wrong if you're after these, guys. Okay, if you're someone that drinks this Costa Americano and you have the Tessimo machine, B&M Home Bargains is the place to go for these. Okay, very affordable. Okay, so that's that. So I've been after some silicone inserts for my air fryer. I found some in B&M, guys, and again, very affordable. So I picked up 2 sets of them. Okay, they come in like this. So it's quite a small size, but it's absolutely fine because I've got the large air fryer. I've got the Ninja air fryer with the big tray, and I can get 3 of these in the one tray, if you get what I mean, which is absolutely brilliant. And it does really help to save, like, you know, like mess and, you know, all the mess that goes in the air fryer. But what I'm getting to with this, guys, this will save me a lot of time of doing that, because the food will be cooked in here. All I need to do is wash these out and I'm good to go. So you get a pack of 2 of these silicone air fryer liners, and these came in at £3. I'm going to take one apart and show you what they look like. So it's these here, guys. Yeah, I know you can get similar to these on Amazon and, you know, other stores, but B&M is quite local to me. And I mean, I got the Amazon Prime, I suppose I could order them and get them delivered, but I wanted to actually see them as well. I wanted to see them to make sure they fit in my air fryer, and these do fit perfectly. So yeah, so I picked up 2 packs of those, £3 each. I think that's quite good going, to be fair. And yeah, of course they're non-stick as well. So the last items that I picked up from B&M is another storage solution. B&M have these huge bags. When you see these bags in B&M, guys, and you need them, get them, because these go out of stock very, very quickly. Again, I've picked these up for storage, you know, practical storage, very, very handy. The only thing with them, they don't have a zip, but it's still okay, you know. So £1.50 for these large B&M bags, okay? They are big, guys. They hold so much. And you know what? I do like the prints that they put on the bags as well. You know, probably all their best sellers that they're advertising on the bag there. Yeah, Home by B&M. And it's, yeah, £1.50 for each of these bags. So they fold up they fold up quite well. They fold up quite small. You know, again, you can just have this in your boot of your car, you know, just open, like ready to put your grocery shopping into them. You know, if you're going to the park, going on a picnic, this can be a bag that you can bring on a picnic and just put everything that you need in there. Again, if you're going to the seaside, just chuck everything in the bag and you're good to go, you know. So yeah, £1.50 for these, okay? So guys, that's my last item from today's haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. I kept it short and sweet because that's really all I had to show you from both Ikea and B&M. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new for more content like this. I'd love to have you here. Thank you so much for taking the time to sit and watch today's video. Take it easy, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.